Hello everyone, my name is Katya. Welcome to my channel. I haven't cooked for a long time together with you, and when Stanley got me two beautiful baking dishes for Christmas, I instantly thought that this is the sign. And today I'm inviting you to my kitchen again, and we will bake quiche Lorraine with chicken, mushrooms and fragrant herbs. This is my favorite recipe, and big thanks to French for inventing this recipe. I bake it almost at every holiday. The word Lorraine comes from the name of the region in France. This is where the start's roots come from. As usual, I wrote down the recipe in my cooking book. Don't want to talk much, so we'll write all the necessary ingredients here. If you don't eat meat, you can skip it or replace with some vegetables, additional cheese, etc. Let's get to dough. I always use a special silicone mat. It's very handy and easy to clean after. I take a piece of butter and cut it to small bits. Remember that it has to be soft. Next, I take off all my rings and start with the flour. Make a heap. Making a small hole in this heap where I crack an egg. Add some salt. Now mix all the ingredients carefully, adding some water halfway through. I knead the dough until it is not sticky. Make a ball, put it in a food wrap and sending it in the fridge for half an hour or 1 hour to rest. We will continue with the topping. I have a big baking dish, so I need a lot of topping, and that's why I will use 2 frying pans. I cut my mushrooms and onion to small pieces. All these goes to the first frying pan. Next, I cut the chicken breast. It goes into the second frying pan. Frying halfway these ingredients. We don't need them well fried because they'll have some time in the oven as well. Of course, we add salt, pepper and our favorite spices. Turning off the stove and going back to our dough. I took it out of the fridge and rolled it out. Covered my baking dish with it. After this, I make small holes using a fork. In a separate glass, I mix the cream, an egg and some salt. Put my topping in the dough. Meanwhile, I turn on the oven and let it warm up. I pour carefully my cream mixture on the tart. A very important ingredient for my quiche is Parmesan cheese. I can't imagine my tart without it. As a decor, and not only, I cut some bell pepper and put it on top. Now the quiche goes to oven for 30–40 minutes. Take it out, and it is almost ready to be served. Oh my god, it smells so good! But the smell and the taste of the cake will not be full without the wonderful herbs. It is important to use them fresh and at the very end. The best is to pick some leaves and put them on the dish right before eating. In this way, you will save their fragrance, medical and magical properties. I've chosen basil for this quiche. It has a lot of magical properties. It's perfect for protection, blessing of a house and all its inhabitants, for money and success in work. I'm even more interested in herbs lately, and this is because of this book. I couldn't leave it in the bookstore's shelf and not buy it. It's called Miraculous Herbs from Romanian. I'll show it to you later someday. It is wonderful. I fell in love with the illustrations. I can find a lot of useful info about herbs and lots of recipes here. It inspires me a lot. I found the basil here as well. Discovered that it's better to pluck the leaves by hands, not to cut them by knives. It liberates better its essential oils this way. Below there is a pesto recipe. We'll definitely try it someday. Let's go back to our quiche. It turned out very delicate, nourishing and very tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video, for the support, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.